told that God made everything, and that everything God made is good. Am I right in this telling? Who made the devil? You see? You see why Uruwa teaches us that we're not going to hate the devil and love God. We're going to love God and understand the devil. And you have just neutralized Satan. There's no fear. Because God is your Savior. In fact, there was a dialogue with Satan and me. He want to know why I love him. I said, if God protects me, why should I be afraid of you? Well, you go tell that to Christians, he said. Because they always talk about me. Well, you're not afraid of me. I said, why should I be? Give me a reason why I should be afraid of you, Satan, when God already is my Savior. And I hope that I could live according to the dictates as much as I possibly can. I'm not going to stand before you tonight and tell you that I'm all that, because I'm not. I'm that same little boy. The same little boy that was raised by Violet and Mama Hay. The same little boy that was obedient. But I learned the beauty of it. The beauty of obedience is that nobody could tell you anything that is negative because you are obedient. But to get there, you have to eat right. This is why we put together the compound like the Viento. The Viento? Well, I was very, very much bothered by the activity going on in the community in the 60s and 70s and 80s. The unrest, the violence. So we put together a compound known as Viento to bring the nerve, quiet the nerve down. So I didn't know what the compound was going to be like. I made it, and I gave it to a Mexican girl named Guadalupe. Guadalupe, I said, I have to go to town, but I just made this compound, and I want you to try it. And when I came back an hour later, Guadalupe said, I feel like the wind. In Spanish, she said, me siento como el viento. I feel like the wind. That's where it got the title as Viento. When you take it, brothers and sisters, you're going to feel the difference immediately. You're going to love people that you once may have felt something against. You know how, I did it. People does things to you, and you feel like you should do something bad. But no, the person that did something to us is sick.